Academic, Maths, Nursery 4 Plus, page 24. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover the concept of numeral 0 that we learned yesterday. Applying and writing. How many eggs are there in each basket? From the left, there are 7 eggs in the first basket. In the second basket, there are no eggs. The number of eggs in the second basket is 0. So write 0 in the given box. Tick the nest with 0 birds in it. You see 2 nests here. From the left, there are no birds in the first nest. In the second nest, you see 3 birds. Hence, you have to tick the first box. Color the circles with number 0. You see many circles inside this jar. They show different numbers. Your task is to only color the circles showing 0. Use your favorite colors to complete the task. Well done! Trace and write these numbers. Ask your teacher or parents to help you in completing this task. It's impressive indeed. You have been outstanding with these activities. Dear teachers, help the children with all activities. Help them pronounce and write the numbers properly. Encourage the promising children and clap for them. Use other interactive techniques to teach numbers to the children. Have a nice day.